Hello everyone, this is Anne from Odulcina, and look what came out of a playtime. So over the last months, I guess, my life has been very busy with lots of things. And I kind of went into a mode of I create content, video content, tutorials for you, and I stopped playing just for myself too much. I don't say that I didn't play at all and I didn't create for myself at all, but I kind of reduced it too much. But yesterday night, I decided, you know what? It's summer. And this summer, my holidays will be that I stop creating more structures, tutorials, and stuff like that, and just play and have fun and create. And it started yesterday night. I had so much fun that I went to bed at 2 o'clock in the morning. My goodness. Eh? So look at that, what I've created. I decided that I wanted to create covers because covers are my favorite things to do. Honestly, they're my favorite things to do. So I decided to do covers. I did 5. I want to do 5 more, and then I'm going to list them all on my website for you to grab your favorite. So look at that. This one, I just took like a booklet and I glued the other half of it, but you kind of have 3 pages. Well, 2 pages plus the cover. 2 pages. No, 3. So you have kind of 3 pages that you can write on. But look at the style. I just love that. Some of my fabric that has been tea-dyed. Laces everywhere. Seam binding that has been crinkled. Crafty Me Shop laces. And it's all on envelopes that I coffee stained before. So there's always a pattern. You barely can see it from the front, but at the back for sure. And I kind of kept the decorating very lightly. Inside, there's nothing. You're going to have an envelope for that one. I think there's 1 or 2 that the envelope is shut down. It glued. But if the envelope is great, I'm keeping it for you. You can add papers, you can decorate it, you can transform that into an ephemera holder, a junk journal, whatever you want. And just to add a little bit something special, I'm adding like a card of samplings. And there's going to be other surprises, like a scrappy pad for sure and something else. But anyway, today I just wanted to show you my 5 covers because I'm so excited. Look at this one. Gorgeous laces everywhere. A little bit of embroidery, little flowers. A big bow, a big applique, some of my polka dot fabric that has been tea stained. And at the back, it's one of the labels fabric with a music sheet and the print of the coffee stain. And inside you have the pocket, and I'm including that. Look at this one. This is totally out of my typical style, but you know what? That was the first I've created, and I love it. So lots of papers. Here it's an old book page. It is a gypsy mic, and you have some texture paste there with the flowers, polka dot tulle, some buttons, the little bow, and I love that goldy yellowish color. I love that. And that's the back of it. So you have the envelope and that card inside. I tried to find cards that are matching a little bit at least, because those cards, I made them in batches. Like I watch a movie and then I just decorate the cards. Cute bow. Look at that. So laces everywhere. a ton of buttons, and I love this idea of buttons. Of course, those retro ladies, they have cute embroidery there as flowers, and at the back it's just the design was just so great that I didn't do anything else. And inside, yeah, you have the envelope and the card, a green one this time. And the last one for now, show you. This is a card that I did in the past, and I just decided to add it to the cover and complete it. So I've been adding a bunch of laces, a little a skirt. And for this one, there's an embroidery from an old pillowcase that comes from my mother-in-law that I found in her house when she passed away, and I added Stitched with Love because it's been made, and there was lots of love into that. You have the envelope, and because the fabric was finishing here, I've added that, so the spine is very reinforced for that one. This is from my favorite curtain. You have little beads here and the flowers, a wax seal, very well decorated. So if you like the peachy pink, this one is for you. All right, so my goal today was only to show you those gorgeous, because when I create, I'm getting excited, very happy. And now I was busy the whole morning with personal stuff. So now I'm back into my workshop, and I'm going to work on 5 more. And hopefully tomorrow I can do the final showing you the final products and list them on my shop for the weekend. Have a great day, everybody. Bye-bye.